guys, people. My first vlog in the rain.
Nah.
Jay's like that.
It's so cold.
I've got like all my coat on and I'm just carrying web plus in my hand.
Trying to look really stylish during the night.
And I'm trying not to get my camera wet, so that's why you saw plus on my face.
They can see even further up your nose this episode.
What?
You can see even further up your nose. Every episode you can see up your nose.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can, because you've always got it so low, pointing upwards.
Oh, shut up. I hate him.
Oh, but you got water all over your camera, it's horrible.
Ooh. So yeah, my first vlog in the rain, I feel special.
Yeah!
And we've just came... Where have we just been, Jay?
We've been at school.
Yep.
Yes! During the spring break. Spring break!
Spring break!
Spring break!
Well done. Right, I'm just going to end this vlog here because my camera's getting really, really wet.
Oh, it's wet for you.
I'm scared.
You're gonna end it then and you keep going.
I do that all the time. Yeah, I'm just going to end it. 1 minute 30 vlog. Bye bye, people.